Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Play keeps stopping. If Google Play keeps stopping on your Android device, you can try the following steps to fix the issue. First, you need to restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve issue with Google Play. Also, you could try to clear the Google Play cache. Press the Play Store like this, go to the app information, select the storage and cache, and in the bottom there's a clear cache option, tap on that. Or you could also try updating your Google Play services. Ensure that your Google Play services is up to date. What you have to do is go to the Google Play Store, and in the top there's a search bar. Tap on that and type down Google Play services and open it, and ensure that the Google Play services is up to date. Or if none of the above steps work, you may consider performing a factory reset on your device. And what you have to do is go to the settings and look for the system, which is on the bottom right over here. And right over here we could see the reset option. Tap on that, and you could tap on the erase all data, which is the factory reset. Note that this will erase all data on your device, so be sure to back up any important information before proceeding. And if Google Play continues to stop after trying these steps, you may need to contact Google Play support for further assistance. And this is it guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix Google Play keep stopping. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.